So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. We want to add payment method in Shopify like you have created everything. Now if someone user purchase, he must pay using prepaid method so that you can get the amount. Like when I go on my cart, I want to accept the payment. How I can accept payment in Shopify? Like here you can see credit card method or cash on delivery or is any other UPI method or any type of method you want to have. For that, what you need to do, go on setting, click on payments. Now in payments, leave it. First, I will show you cash on delivery. If you want to enable cash on delivery, you can just manage from here. Click on add manual payment, then add cash on delivery. Now suppose you want to add UPI, credit card, or net banking, any other type of payment method. So you need a payment gateway. What is payment gateway? Payment gateway is a mediator between your website and your bank. Like from your website, money will be transferred through a payment gateway where users and then it will be transferred to your bank. For that, you need to select a payment gateway. Like in Shopify, when you open your Shopify website, click on any add payment method. You can search by provider. Here in provider, when I search like Razorpay, here you can see there are multiple payment gateway. Here you can see number of payment gateway. In India, mostly people use Razorpay, Cash Free. You can see Razorpay, Cash Free, Phone Pay, Paytm. There are multiple payment gateway. You need to create account on that payment gateway. So just search for like suppose you want to create account in Razorpay, search for Razorpay and just create account on it. Through it, this you can easily able to accept UPI, net banking, card payment, all payment. They may charge some amount, but we will able to accept all type of payment. Now, after creating account, what you need to do, go on payments here, then click on add payment method, and then you need to select search by provider, add that payment gateway, whichever you have used. Click on add. Here you see it will install. I have already installed this payment gateway. That's why it is not showing. Otherwise, if you click on it, it will redirect to install. Just install that payment gateway. Then you need to link it. Here it will show you to link it. I have already linked it. That's why it's not showing. You need to link your account easily by just login. And I have created a specific video how you can link Razorpay with Shopify. I will add link in description. Through that you can get it. So that's how easily you can add any payment gateway. Here you can see it will accept UPI, Mastercard, Rupee, PayPal, every Ola Money, Amazon Pay. There are multiple options. If you want to disable some, you can also disable. It will accept all these type of payment form. So that's how very easily you can add payment gateway in your Shopify website. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.